to delete a channel in Slack. Hey guys, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a channel in Slack. It's a simple process, so just follow me till the very end. First of all, go ahead and open your Slack app. Once you're here, you will see a couple of channels that you have been following. Choose a channel that you want to delete. There are two options how you can delete a channel of your Slack. So the first one is long tap on the channel that you want to delete. So once this page pops up, you can see the option of leave channel at the bottom. Simply click on that and you're all good to go. The second option is click on that channel. Once you're here, click at the top, scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the option of leave channel. There are a couple of other options. For instance, you can also mute the channel. So if you just want to leave the channel, select the leave option, and that's it. You're all good to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe.